share some success stories of students who have completed one of these courses and how it had impacted their careers later on?
Okay, so I'll tell you about the success stories. What's the thing here? So with us, most of our clients are corporate clients. So they're already inside the business, but they want to enhance their skills, and they're doing pretty well. So we're talking about clients like ministries in Bahrain. I'm not sure whether I can release the name, but let's say to be on
Yeah,
the safe side, we'll put it in there. But this is like our recognition here
right.
that we do provide. We focus like our main centric attention is on the hands-on learning. That it's not an exam-based or assessment, it's based on projects. So you're given hypothetical projects and everything, which is why students love our courses, because at the end of the module, you get professional development. In a
Right.
way, like you get to know how to open your business. So we have like one of our students, his name is Ahmed, and he's currently working in Ministry of Finance, but on the side hustle, he has his own photography freelancing business.